Muslim boys' names starting with F with meaning in English by Ifactner. Faiq, outstanding, superior. Fakhir, proud, excellent. Faaris, horseman, knight. Faateh, victorious, conqueror, opener. Fadi, redeemer, savior. Fazil, virtuous, the generous or distinguished one, honorable. Fazal, reward, favor. Fazal Ullah, the excellence of God. Fahd, strength, leopard. Faheem, intelligent, learned. Fahmi, understanding, smart. Faisal, strong, handsome, decisive, a wise judge. Faiyaz, artistic, a good donor. Faiz, grace, favor, blessings. Faizaan, generosity, abundance, benefit. Faizi, generous, liberal. Fakhri, honorary, glorious, proud. Fakih, legal expert, one who recites the Quran. Falah, success. Falak, breeze. Fakih, wise, jurist, scholar of religious laws. Fakir or Fakir, poor. Fakir, poor. Faraasat, perception, understanding, insight. Faraz, ascent, height, exalting, divine. Farid, unique, precious, second to none. Farhan, joyful. Farhad, happiness. Farhat, happiness. Farooq, one who distinguishes truth from false, a good judge. Farukh, happy, fortunate, beautiful. Fasih, eloquent. Fatin, clever, smart. Fatah, victory. Fatin, smart, witty. Fawad, heart, core. Fawaz, successful. Fauzi, victory, achievement, successful. Fad, abundance. Faiz, victor, winner. Fayad or Fayaz, generous, magnificent. Fayaz or Fayad, generous. Faizaan, beneficence. Fazil, excellence, virtue, superiority, excess, reward. Feroz, victorious and successful. Farron, baker. Fida, sacrifice, redemption. Fida, silver. Fikri, intellectual. Firdaus, paradise, heaven. Firoz was the name of a king. Fudail, excellent in character. Furqan, a criterion for distinguishing truth from falsehood. Disclaimer: this video tutorial is only for knowledge sharing purposes. Please consult a local scholar before finalizing the name of your baby. Name can be spelled differently in different regions. Thank you very much for joining me. I will see you in the next tutorial.